पूछते हैं तेरी मन्नत क्या है बता, मैं फुलफिल करना चाहता हूँ। तो वो बोलता है कि मुझे मेरा 10th स्टैंडर्ड का लाइफ मुझे वापस कर दो। तो भगवान बोलते हैं उसको, अबे मैंने तुझे जन्नत नहीं बोला था, मन्नत बोला था, वहां तो हम रहते हैं। सब लोगों को याद रखिए मुझे। दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं। दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं। जब जिस वक्त किसी का याद जुदा होता है, सच पूछो यारो दिल का हाल बुरा होता है, दिल में यादों के जैसे फूल खिलते हैं। दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में तुम जैसे फालतू दोस्त मिलते हैं।
And at the same time, a little sad because I have to leave early for the evening. I've got another program to attend. But I'm very happy to see your faces. And there are three things. There are three types of people I always think of. Number one, those people in the world who make things happen. The other type of people who see things happen. And the third type of people who wonder what happened. SFS boys belongs to the first lot. SFS rocks. I'm so happy to be here with you boys. Faces will always be remembered. Names may be forgotten. But we are always there, dare to be wise. Thank you.
Full to Faisal Bhai, who has done such a nice job. I think we all take one applause. And without him, I don't think we all would have met here. To Faisal and to his organizing team.
I absolutely cannot take that credit, it's not enough to ignite something, it takes a whole team effort to really carry that flame forward. And there are so many people, Avinash, Godwin, Vijay, Mukesh, and so many of big evening coming to Poonam Chambers and really motivating everyone to really push and really have this event to the level what we are having today. It's still not grand. The grand things we have still kept behind for our 2020, which basically the 25 years, the silver jubilee for us in 2020. So we definitely want to, all of us, to come back again and more to really celebrate the silver jubilee. So thanks Indrajit, but yeah, that credit goes to every one of us. Anybody else wants to say a few words?
बस मुझे कुछ मेरा पुराने जख्म ठीक ठाक करना है। बहुत ये 90 से धोते धोते यहाँ तक लाते थे, फिर वहां से वहां लेके जाते थे। सर साई मुरलियार ने बहुत धोया। वो मार खाने में मेरा दोष नहीं था, मैं वो बताना चाह रहा हूँ। वो आजाद स्टोर से अंडे चुराकर सेंट जोसेफ की लड़कियों को पिट के मारा करते थे। वो अंडे चुराकर मारने वाला मैं नहीं था, कच्ची भी नहीं था यार, कच्ची भी नहीं था, कच्ची भी नहीं था बोल रहा। मगर क्या हो गया, पकड़ में हम आ गए। इज्जत से क्लासरूम में आने दिए और निकाल के जो मारे थे फिल्मी अंदाज में सर साई ने, जस्ट मैं वही बताना चाह रहा था, उसमें मैं नहीं था। लो, बाकी बंदों को पता है उस दिन मुझे बचाने वाला कोई नहीं था, आज बोल रहे। So, but I would like to give thanks to all the sirs and teachers. They have spent their life and मुझे नहीं पता उसके बाद।
So here, with due respect to my teachers and all principal and Father Morris, actually I was supposed to speak lots of, but you see that in the school time also I could not utter a single word in front of teachers, and them facing the lots of problem. But still, I would like to thank you all that you still remember me and you miss me. I too miss you all. That's why I've been here from Amravati itself. And really, I am telling you that it is the irony of fate that always it happened with me. Of fate, that whatever has been done in school time, it was unnecessary. I would silently. I heard all the teachers in silence. I had many times blind with tears due to that. Let me. Actually, it was not. And all my friends, you see that this was your earlier day. You used to do the same thing earlier also. Whatever happened, kachi. What I did, and always you look there. And I would like to thank Father Morris, because he always been behind me and always boosting me and cooperating me, and he always. And along with that, Madam Somi ma'am and especially Gazula ma'am, I was the monitor in 10th C. And you might have forgotten that thing. Had you all not been with me and that teacher, I would have not become today whatever I am right now. So, एक दिन किसी फकीर ने एक बात कही थी, अब जाके मैंने जाना वो बात सही थी, जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा है यारो, हाँ खुदा है यारो। हम तो क्या है वो फिरिश्तों को आजमाता है, बनाकर हमको मिटाता है फिर बनाता है। आदमी टूट के 100 बार जुड़ा है यारो, जिसका कोई नहीं उसका तो खुदा है यारो। Not never understand.
Hope ki Faizal still would make it happen again and again. We won't wait for 2020 or whatever. We have a lifetime achievement award for a star attraction. Blaming us or whoever. Thanks again all friends about the teachers who could make here. I mean Faizal taking all the pains, Godwin and all making. Sagar Nagar sir looks a little bit healthier. Maybe doing a lot of eating. Father Morris, thank you all, Sabhaddev. And thank you all. It's been a wonderful evening being with you. I hope this happens again and again. Thank you all.
Thanks for coming. Unfortunately, I could gather only 70 people. मैं ट्राई कर रहा था 260 above जितने टीचर स्टूडेंट्स सब आ जाएं. And thanks teachers for coming. Thank you.
Some of you might be missing, okay, and that's really because we have tried hard to get your snaps, but it was really difficult. 65 people out of the 70 who wanted to come. 65 people of them have their photos on it with their names and a small thank you note to the teachers which you would want to dedicate to them. if they would want to felicitate any specific teacher of their choice, and a lot of them are not here right now. So I'm just going to call the names of the teacher who's present here, and the individual who expressed an opinion to felicitate them.